Welcome to digitaladoption.com. What is digital adoption? Sounds like a big deal, right? Well, it is. Digital adoption is about training people to use new technology in the most effective way possible. It's about getting them up to speed and using it like a pro in no time. Imagine your company just invested in some state-of-the-art AI software. You might be wondering, how do we get the most use out of it? How can we ensure that our employees understand and leverage the most out of their digital solutions? Well, it goes beyond just buying new software and installing it on your system. It's about understanding every facet of that software and using it to its full potential. Why should businesses care? In today's competitive arena, those who adopt new technology and grasp its full potential are able to stay ahead of the competition. Digital adoption gives you all the resources and training you need to fully make use of that technology. It helps to cement your software investments and can increase your ROI, shorten time to value, and help you get the most out of your systems. So when it comes down to it, digital adoption is not just about having the latest tech. It's about having the right mindset in place to ensure that technology is being used in the most optimal way. We hope you enjoyed our insights into the world of digital adoption, and this overview assisted you in becoming a little more confident in your approach. Join us next time as we take a deeper dive into other tools, techniques, and benefits you need to know.